The 5 best apps for stock trading in USA. Want to start trading stocks but don't know which app to use? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, the right platform can make a huge difference in your trading success. Today, we're counting down the 5 best apps for stock trading in the USA. Stick around to see which app takes the top spot. You might be surprised. 5. Fidelity, best for long-term investors. Starting off our list is Fidelity, one of the most trusted investment platforms out there. Fidelity is perfect for long-term investors, offering zero commission trading, fractional shares, and retirement accounts like IRAs. The app also provides advanced research tools and educational content, making it a great choice if you want to build a solid portfolio for the future. 4. Webull, best for active traders. If you're looking for a free trading platform with advanced tools, Webull is a great choice. Webull offers commission-free trading, real-time market data, technical analysis tools, and even paper trading to practice without risking real money. For traders who love charts, analytics, and a sleek interface, Webull is a top pick. 3. E-Trade, best for research and analysis. Coming in at number 3 is E-Trade, a platform known for its powerful research tools and educational resources. E-Trade has a user-friendly mobile app that offers commission-free trading, real-time news, and advanced charting tools. If you want an app that combines ease of use with powerful research capabilities, E-Trade is a solid option. 2. TD Ameritrade, best for beginners. Taking the second spot is TD Ameritrade, the perfect app for beginners who want to learn stock trading the right way. With Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade offers one of the best trading platforms with professional level charting, technical indicators, and paper trading to practice your strategies. If you're just starting out and want an app with educational resources and top-tier trading tools, TD Ameritrade is a fantastic choice. 1. Robinhood, best for commission-free trading. And at number 1, we have Robinhood, app that made stock trading accessible to everyone. Robinhood revolutionized the industry with commission-free trading, fractional shares, and an easy-to-use interface that makes buying and selling stocks super simple. While it may not have the advanced tools of other platforms, Robinhood is perfect for casual investors and beginners who want a hassle-free trading experience. So, there you have it, the 5 best apps for stock trading in the USA. Which one do you use? Or do you have a personal favorite that we didn't mention? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit like if this video helped you.